The simplest case of multiplying by the number 11 is when we multiply a single digit number. When this is the case, we simply write the number twice. But a different approach is taken when we encounter a two-digit number multiplying the number 11. What we can do is look at the number that we're multiplying 11 by, write the first digit, the second digit, open up brackets between them, and inside these brackets carry out an addition of the two digits together. 4 plus 3 gives us 7. Therefore, the answer to 43 multiplied by 11 is 473. Now that was how things worked when the two digits in the number add up to a number that is less than 10. However, sometimes the two digits add up to a number that is greater than 10, as we'll see here with 58 multiplied by 11, example D. Let's start off with the same approach from example C. Write 5 here, 8 over here, open up brackets between them. Inside we do 5 plus 8, and that gives us 13, a number greater than 10. So what happens is 3 stays put, the 1 is carried left, added on. So what we get is 638. And that's the answer to 58 multiplied by 11. So C and D examples show the two cases we can encounter where we multiply 11 by a two-digit number. If digits add up to less than 10, or if the two digits add up to greater than 10. This same approach can also be used when multiplying three digits by 11. Like before, 3, the outside digit on the left, and then 2, the outside digit on the right. Only this time there's more sums to do. We do two pairs of brackets, and we do 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 2. 3 plus 4 gives us 7, 4 plus 2 gives us 6. And this gives us the answer to 342 multiplied by 11, 3,762. Let's try this again with example F. See what we get. 6 plus 7 and 7 plus 4. 6 plus 7 gives us 13. 7 plus 4 gives us 11. So 3 will stay in this position, 1 will carry, and here 1 will stay in this position, and this one will carry. So what we get, 1 added on to 6, 7. Now 1 here is added on to our 3, 4. 1 stays put, and we have our 4 at the end. So for 674 multiplied by 11, we have an answer of 7,414. And for an even larger number multiplied by 11, it's the same approach. There are just more sums to do. So we are 2 first, furthest left digit. Then we have 2 plus 4. Next we have 4 plus 3. Then we have 3 plus 8. we have 8 plus 1, and we also, on the right side, write our furthest right digit of 1. So let's work through what we have and see what we get. 2, we have 6, 4 and 3 is 7, 3 and 8 gives us 11, 8 plus 1 gives us 9, and we also have our 1 on the end. So 6 and 9 will remain the same, but here the 1 will stay and the 1 will also carry left. So we get 2, 6, 8, 1, 9, 1. So the answer to 24,381 multiplied by 11 is 268,191.